Data analysis is inspecting, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful insights and support decision-making. It's crucial because it unlocks hidden patterns, predicts trends, and optimizes strategies, driving innovation and competitive advantage. Encouraging it fosters evidence-based solutions for complex challenges.
Using Python. The process begins with data collection. Loading raw data via pandas. Next is cleaning and preparation. Handling issues like missing values. Then, exploratory analysis involves statistical summaries and visualizations with Matplotlib or Seaborn. Finally, modeling and interpretation using libraries like scikit-learn helps build predictive models and draw conclusions, which are then communicated.
The initial print statements concisely define data analysis, highlight its importance for informed decision-making and risk mitigation, and advocate for its encouragement to foster innovation and efficiency across various sectors. This section sets the conceptual groundwork before diving into the practical illustration.
The subsequent Python code block demonstrates a simplified data analysis workflow using the pandas and Matplotlib libraries. It begins by simulating data collection through the creation of a data frame containing sample sales records. This is followed by a data cleaning and preparation phase where a missing value in quantity sold is imputed with the median. Data types are cast appropriately, and a new total sales column is calculated.
Next, exploratory data analysis, EDA, is performed by displaying descriptive statistics and visualizing total sales aggregated by product category using a bar chart. This visual step helps in quickly identifying patterns and major contributors to sales. The analysis then proceeds to identify top-selling products through simple aggregation, further extracting actionable insights from the cleaned data.